Hey everybody, Mr. G here. I'm going to be recording this test for you so that you're able to listen to it on the computer. Be sure you try to not take your time on this one. You will have the whole class period to take the test, but if you get stuck on a problem, skip it, come back to it later. Don't worry about it. Do the best that you can. This test is not for a grade. This test is to only see what you know and have learned so far in third grade. All right, here we go. Number one. How is 6,020 written in expanded form? How is 6,020 written in expanded form? Number two. Chase collects money for parking at the local flea market. On Saturday morning, there were 124 cars. 87 more cars arrived Saturday afternoon. How many cars were there altogether? Number three. Coach Hawk was checking the locks on the lockers in the dressing room. He saw that 3/4 of the locks were closed. Look at the picture below. Choose the group that has 3/4 of the locks closed. Next page. Number 4. Mr. McDonald planted 8 rows of tomato plants. There were 7 tomato plants in each row. How many total tomato plants did Mr. McDonald plant? Number 5. Maria bought 8 pens. There were 2 red pens, and the rest of the pens were black. Which model is shaded to represent the fraction of the pens that were black? Next page. Number 6. A touchdown in football is worth 6 points. Therefore, 1 touchdown will give a team 6 points. 2 touchdowns will give them 12, and so on. Which table pairs the number of touchdowns with the number of points? Mark your answer. Next page. Number 7. Sharon bought a pizza. She ate 3/4 of her pizza. Choose the picture that shows how much pizza is left. The shaded portion shows the amount of pizza she left on her tray. Next page. Number 8. The Carter family took 3 vehicles to attend their family reunion. By 11 a.m., the first vehicle traveled 3/4 of the distance. The second vehicle traveled half of the distance. And the third vehicle traveled 2/3 of the distance. Which model does not represent one of these distances? Next page. Number 9. At a fall festival, students needed to have tickets to be able to ride the rides. Here is a table that shows the number of tickets needed for a certain number of rides. Number of tickets, number of rides. How many tickets would a student need if they want to ride 10 rides? Number 10. JC has 9 sheets of stickers. Each sheet has 12 stickers. JC gives her best friend 24 stickers. What is one way to determine how many stickers JC has left? Mark your answer. F. Multiply 9 by 12, then subtract 24 from the product. Add 9, 12, and 24 to find the sum. Multiply 9 by 12 and then add 24 to the product. Multiply 9, 12, and 24 to find the product. Next page. Number 11. Trey wanted to buy carpet for his room. Before he went to the store, he needed to know what the area of his room was. How can Trey find out what the area of his room is? Number 12. What is the standard form for 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 8? 13. What number is represented by the model? 14. Jack and his friends went bird watching. Of the 76 birds they saw, there were 18 sparrows and 24 blue jays. How many birds did Jack and his friends see that were not sparrows or blue jays? Next page. 15. Lauren was measuring her table. What was the area? 14 square feet, 12 square feet, 6 square feet, 8 square feet. 16. Number of species of insects in the United States: moths and butterflies, flies, bees and wasps, beetles. List in order the species with the largest number to the smallest number. F. Moths and butterflies, flies, bees, and wasps, beetles. G. Flies, bees, and wasps, moths and butterflies, beetles. H. Beetles, flies, bees, and wasps, moths, and butterflies. J. Beetles, bees, and wasps, flies, moths, and butterflies. Next page. 17. Mr. Zotos put a cake in the oven at 240. He took the cake out of the oven 35 minutes later. At what time did Mr. Zotos take the cake out of the oven? (18) Brandon has 56 pieces of candy to give to 8 of his friends. How many pieces of candy will Brandon give 8 friends? 19. Kathy counted 143 trees at her grandmother's farm. She found that 75 were peach trees. How many trees were not peach trees? Next page. Wyatt buys 2 boxes of glue. Each box contains 4 packages. Each package has 3 glue sticks. How many total glue sticks does Wyatt buy? 21. Average weight of African animals: lion, zebra, hippopotamus, giraffe, African wild dog. Which of the following is true? Next page. Jim began jogging 15 minutes before he looked at the clock. Look at the clock. What time did Jim begin jogging? Okay, when you're done with your test, go ahead and bring it to me. I will give you your bubble sheet. You will bubble, and then you will be finished with the test.